Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this gaming app called Giraffe, okay? And you're wondering, can you make money from this app? How does it work? Is it legit? And the big question is how much money can you make from Giraffe? So I'm going to review Giraffe and let's take a look at whether this is worth your time. Now, at any time if you want, you can get access to my favorite way to make between 5 and 10,000 US dollars per month. All you need to do is just click the link directly below this video, get access to the training, and I'll send you that if you would like, okay? So let's take a look at Giraffe. This is actually very cool little gaming app. There are a lot of different gaming apps online. Some are better than others. So let's take a look at the way that Giraffe actually works, okay? So the first thing that I should mention is Giraffe is only available for Android. So at the time of recording this video, unfortunately, if you're an iPhone user, Apple user, you won't be able to use Giraffe. This particular company makes games mainly for Android users. It's also available in most countries, but there are some countries, small countries, but there are some countries where it's not available. So if you go to the Google Play Store and you can't find it in your country, it's probably because it's not available there, but for most people, it will be available, all right? So 1 million downloads, average rating is 4.3, 49,000 reviews. It's a pretty good app, okay? We'll actually go through the reviews in a second, but let me just show you how this works. So very nice looking gaming app, very easy. So once you come into the Google Play Store, you would just download it for free. They've got a few different games that you can play, so things like card games, they've got solitaire, they've got dice games, they've got a few different options of games that you can play. And the way that it works is they will pay you gems per minute that you play, all right? Now the thing about a lot of gaming apps, especially with Giraffe, is that when you first start the game, they're going to pay you a bonus of a few hundred gems, okay? And then after that, they pay you by gems per minute. And initially when you first start, it's roughly between 14 gems and 18 gems per minute, right? Now, in order for you to make 50 cents, you need 5,000 gems. That's a lot of gems, all right? But the thing about gaming apps is that the more that you play, the lower the rate per minute. That means that the longer that you start to play the games, the amount of gems that you make per minute goes down, all right? So initially when you start, the first couple of days, it seems like it's really good, like you're making a lot of gems, right? And you can even withdraw really quickly, like 50 cents. But as you start to play more, they make it more and more difficult for you to actually withdraw, okay? So in actual fact, when you average this all out, what actually happens is that as you start to play the game longer and longer, it's going to take you roughly about 5 hours in order for you to withdraw 5,000 gems, which is equivalent to 50 cents. Okay, so that's on average. It really depends on your country. Some countries, they pay a little bit more gems per minute, but on average, it will take you roughly about 5 hours to make 5,000 gems. All right, which means that it's about 5 hours per 50 cents, or 50 cents per 5 hours. So if you want to make $1 from Giraffe, it'll take you about 10 hours. All right, so that's quite a long time. So it depends on how long you play these games for, right? The cool thing about it though is that you can withdraw with no threshold. That means that at any point in time, when you've made enough gems and you've converted that to money, you can withdraw it from your PayPal account just like that, really quickly. So you can withdraw even 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents directly from your PayPal account. So let's just say today you play for 5 hours, excuse me, and you get an equivalent of 5,000 gems. You can withdraw it from your PayPal account minus the fees pretty much on the same day. And they will give it to you probably in 1 to 2 days. So it's really fast. You don't need to wait that long in order to get your money. But again, it's difficult for you to get 50 cents, right? It's going to take you 5 hours of playtime minimum for you to earn 50 cents. So, if you play, all week, you might be able to earn a couple of bucks. You're not going to sit there and play for 5 hours every single day, right? You might play for 2-3 hours a day. So 2-3 hours a day times 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's you'll make about $2 roughly, right? 50 cents times 4. That's about $2 for 3 hours of play a day for the whole week. So it's not that much money, okay? But yes, it is legit. They do pay out and it's free, right? And the games are fun. So again, it just depends on who you are and what your activities are like every single day, right? Now let's look at some of the ratings, okay? So they generally have good ratings. Most of them are 5-star, right? 4.3 on average, but they do have some issues, like the more recent ones. Again, at the time of recording this video, this is very current, the 12th of March. He says, when I initially signed up, cashing out PayPal was an option. I went to cash out for the first time a few days ago. PayPal option was no longer available. In its place were 2 columns of boxes listing the names of stores. Most I never heard of and wouldn't shop at them. Furthermore, instead of being able to cash into points for a gift certificate like other similar apps, it seems that you get a coupon which then takes a percentage off your order. No thanks. So again, it changes over time and it depends on which country that you're in, right? So again, this is a bad one. Cannot get any points every time they pass a level, so it's a bit of a glitch in the actual app, right? It's not working for me. Installed 2 games, spent some time playing different levels, but I didn't receive any rewards. So there's a little bit of a glitch there. But again, some of them have great reviews, right? It's been 3 days, I've had 6 payouts, they were immediate, I've only made about $8, but it's totally worth it. So again, right, this person probably spent quite a long time on the app in order to make $8. And also remember, when you first start, you can make a little bit more, but then as you play the app, it takes a little bit more time for you to actually make that money, okay? So pretty cool, all right? Again, look, I think that if you have some extra time and you just want to play some games and make just a little bit of money, this is not life-changing income, but it is a little bit of money, then Cash Giraffe is pretty cool, right? Now, if you live in a country where a few dollars a week extra is life-changing, then that's pretty cool. I would definitely check out Cash Giraffe. But if you live in a country where a few extra dollars, $3, $4, $5 a week extra is not going to be life-changing, then maybe you don't necessarily want to spend that much time playing Cash Giraffe. I mean, if you're a couch potato and you love playing games, this is a cool way just to make a teeny weeny bit of extra money for playing your games anyway. But if you're looking at this as a money generating opportunity, like you want to make side income, then there are a lot of other better ways to make money online. I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online, and playing games, unfortunately, is one of the lowest ways to make money. I mean, you're basically earning 50 cents for 5 hours of your time. Think about how much that is on a per hourly rate. It's very, very low. It's less than it's about 10 cents roughly per hour. It's really, you're making 10 cents per hour. I mean, there are much better ways to make money online. Yes, I understand that it's free. But again, if you have 1, 2, 3 hours of extra time a day, there are much better ways to make money online, okay? But overall, not too bad. It's legit. They pay out, available in Android, which most people use, and it's available in most countries around the world. So if you want to check out Cash Giraffe, you can head to the Google Play Store and just download it, all right? But if you're here watching this video right now, perhaps you're not that interested in making money just playing games, and you might be thinking, yeah, it is a bit of a waste of time, but you're just here because you heard about it and you're just researching to see if this is a legit way to make money. There are lots of different ways to make money online, lots of different apps, lots of different websites, lots of different business models, and I've tested a lot of them out, right? You can see on this review website. Now, my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 is a very specific strategy. I think, look, if you have 1 to 2 hours a day, no matter where you live in the world, you may as well implement those 1 to 2 hours into a skill set that will pay you much more money, all right? And you can realistically get to $5,000 to $10,000 if you implement this particular skill set, and I would like to teach you that for free, all right? So I've got a free training. You can just go ahead and click the link directly below in the description box. Go ahead and register. It's going to be sent to your email, so please check your spam folder, because sometimes email just ends up in spam these days, all right? Enjoy the training, and I'm going to show you my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000, especially if you have a couple of hours extra every single day. You may as well leverage the internet properly, right? So I hope you enjoyed this review of Cash Giraffe, and I will see you on another review. Take care.